Okay, today we're going to do a review of the Hogue automatic pistol stock finger groove grip, okay, for the full-size government models. Let's open that up. Let's see what we got here. Instructions. Okay. Got some details about the product, warranty information, customer satisfaction information, so on and so forth, contact information. Excellent. Set that aside. Got a full-size 1911 government model here. Make sure that that's unloaded. Okay, drop the hammer on that. Can reholster that. Alright, let's take a look at the grip itself. Yeah, quality looks excellent. I like the stippling effect on the side panels. It's got a Hogue logo embossed both sides. Hard panels built in, so you get good contact with the frame. Solid product. The grooves themselves, finger grooves, very nice. No extra material. So the mold was excellent. No extra pieces of rubber flapping around. That looks like a good product. See how that fits on our 1911. Yeah, it looks good. It's a good looking grip. Feels really good. I have an average size hand, I'd say. It really gives you very positive feel. You know, additional grip when you're firing. You're not going to shoot loose your hold or your grip on the firearm. Okay, it's got a really good feel to it. I like it. Doesn't really increase the size or the circumference of the grip area much. Okay, so if you have super small hands, I mean, you might be affected. But like I said, I got a medium-sized hand, and it feels really good. Like I said, it's got a very positive feel to it. So very happy with the quality of this piece, and I think it looks fantastic. Yeah, so I'm going to give, like I've done in the past, I'm going to give the Hogue grip a 5-star rating. Okay, quality is excellent, craftsmanship, ease of installation. Yeah, so Model number on this is 45,000. Okay, you might see it listed somewhere as C45-000. A couple different combinations I've seen out there. This states that it's for Colt Government Commander, Gold Cup, and duplicate frames. This grip fits Colt Government full-size auto, including 45, 9mm, the 22 to 38, 10mm Delta, Spfld Armory, and most government copies. Grip is made of black rubber. Yeah, so that's it. 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Have a great day.